Namaste dear children, welcome to class 2. Today I will discuss the exercise part of the lesson, the golden bucket. Page number 51. Word wise. Group words, professions, rhyming words. D main question. Say these words aloud. First two letters SH. Share, shirt, shoe, shell, shine. Next words, first two letters are CH. Chair, chin, cheek, chalk, child. Next words, big letters are TH. Thank, thin, bath, moth, path. You please say these words aloud in front of your parents. These are just for practice purpose, saying practice, pronunciation practice purpose. This exercise is about. Next exercise, E main question. We say a flock of birds means a group of birds. We won't say group of birds, but we say in English a flock of birds. Circle the words that go with the words in capital letters. There are two in each row. This is a row. Okay, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. These are rows. There are two in each row. Circle the words that go with the words in capital letters. See, for first example, they have made a bundle of sticks, cloths. See, this is first row. In this first row, first question is, first number contains a bundle of sticks we say, a bundle of cloths we say, but we won't say a bundle of grapes. That's wrong. So sticks and cloths are correct. We need to circle. This is called a row. Like that we need to do the rest of the words. Second number, a bunch of apples. No, we won't say a bunch of apples. We say a bunch of grapes. We say a bunch of keys. Grapes and keys. Circle grapes and keys. And third, capital letters words, a pair of shoes, a pair of leather. We won't say a pair of leather. We say a pair of eyes. There are pair of eyes, there are pair of shoes, but there are no pair of leather. It is not correct. Fourth, words in capital letters, a piece of cheese. No, we won't say a piece of cheese. A piece of cake we say. A piece of cloths we say. So two words are there in a row. We circled two words. One is extra one. Fifth, capital letter words. Capital letter word is a box of matchsticks. A box of water, we won't say a box of water, we say a box of crayons. Two words we circled, and water is we need to left. We need to leave cheese in this fourth. We need to leave leather in the third. We need to leave apple in the second. We need to leave grape in the first one, and the rest should be circled. Next main question, F main question. Make smaller words from these words. See, for one is done for you. Fairy, F-A-I-R-Y, fairy, F-A-I-R, fair, A-I-R, air. They made like this. We need to make smaller words. Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, T-E-A-C-H, teach, T-E-A, T. Like that. Chair, C-H-A-I-E, chai, C-H-A, cha. This word golden, fourth word. From golden words we can make smaller word gold. From the word gold we can make still more smaller word go. And fifth word is carpet. From this word we can make a smaller word corp, and further smaller word car. This is about F main question. Next page, 52 page number. G main question. What do these people do? Match the columns to make correct sentences. See, he is nothing but a florist. Okay, a florist sells flowers. Who sells flowers is called a florist. F-L-O-R-I-S-T, florist. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. A florist sells flowers. Second one, a carpenter makes furniture. A carpenter makes furniture. Third one, a baker bakes cakes and biscuits. Fourth one, a barber cuts hair. Fifth one, a doctor treats the sick. Next main question. H main question. Find the rhyming pair of words on this wall. Color the bricks of the rhyming words with the same color. See, one is done for you. Near is a word which in this group, which is a rhyming word for the word near. Dear. Near and dear are rhyming words. So they have colored in the same color. See, near is in the same color box, dear is in the same color. Not in the box, they colored the box with the same color. Okay, for one more example is leather. Leather rhyming word is weather. So leather and weather to be in the same color and different that of the other words. If you used this color for the two blacks, bricks or words, then you must not use this color again. So here I used red color. Like that, you need to choose other than this color and other than this color to fill the bricks or word with which goes with the bright word. Rhyming word is, that's why I mentioned number here. I marked the number with bright with 3, and that third 3 number word bright rhyming word is night. These two, bright and night, to be colored with the same color, and that color must be different from that of these two colors. That is bright and night. Fourth word, wife. I am coming by this way. Okay, now these three are completed just now. Next, wife word. wife word, and this is these three over, isn't it? Okay, wife word, which is the rhyming word of wife word? life, life, wife, life. So wife is a 4 number, life is a in 4 number. You need to color the bricks, wife and life bricks, with the same color, and then that of the different than of the previous colors. Four words we matched, or rhyming words we have found out. 4 plus 4, 8 words over. This is the fifth one, door. Door word rhyming word is floor only, not hide, needy, find, shop, wide, kind, greedy, flop. No, door, floor, 5 number. Door and floor to be in the same color, and to that of the different color of the previous rhyming words. Next word is hide, 6 number. I have given it as a 6 number. 6 number word hide. Hide rhyming word is wide. Hide rhyming word is wide. So this is also completed, these two completed, this one completed, this one, isn't it? Hide word is wide. Okay, this is also completed now. Which are left? Next word needy, 7th number. I mentioned it as 7 number. Needy, greedy. Needy, greedy. Okay, these two, needy and greedy, to be in the same color and different from that of the rest of the colors. Then these words are over now. Next word is find. Find rhyming word is kind. So I have mentioned the name for both the words, 8 number. Find, kind. Okay, now these words are over. Only 2 left, that is shop, flop. Ninth word, shop goes with the rhyming word flop. Shop, flop, these are rhyming words. Shop, flop, these to be in the same color, and that color must be different from that of the rest of the words, and you need to fill these words by in order to fill these blocks or bricks, you need 9 colors. 9 different colors you need to have to color these bricks. And the next main question I will take in the next class. Dear children, complete this activity and send to my WhatsApp number. Be safe, be happy in the home. Dhanavad children.